Good morning, K3. Hello, Papa. Good morning, Oi. And this one is Paiboa. Is this Paiboa?
Yeah.
Hello, Bea. Bea is coming. Hi, Bea. Good morning. Bea, good morning. Oi, good morning. Papa, good morning. And Paiboa. Good morning. Okay, how are you today? I'm fine. Okay. So, are you ready for our math? Are you ready for our math? Our subject is, we are now in our math. You have this worksheet with you? Yes, that one. Prepare this worksheet. Prepare this worksheet. Yes. Yes, that one. Oi, you have this worksheet with you, Oi? You don't have? Oi? You can come here, Oi, and pick this one up, Oi. You have this new worksheet in here, Oi. Okay, so you can answer this one. As of now, Oi, you just have to listen. You don't have to answer this one. Okay, is there? Are you there, Baiboa? Okay, now let us start. Good morning. And let us start with our math. Okay, just a minute. 3. Okay. Okay, telling time. This is our topic for today. Let us check if you can know how to watch your clock already, okay? Or if you have your watch. Okay, so telling time. Who is that? Who's crying? Somebody's crying. Is it my Boa? Okay. Is my Boa crying? A point of time as a point of time as measured in hours and minutes past midnight or noon. You can say what time? The time is something like that. Okay? Something like that. Now let's go to this one. What time is it? Okay, for today, let us identify that time. Okay, that's not my boa. Okay. Hi, Proud. Good morning, Proud. Good morning. Okay. Okay, listen now. I want you to listen to this one first. Is that
our website. Click the button that says subscribe.
It's about time. Is that my boa?
What time is it? It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Subscribe to our channel to keep in touch.
Check the time. Okay. You know already how to check the time? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is how you look at the time. Look at this one first. Okay, we have time, but the time when we get up, okay? The time when we get up, the time when we eat breakfast, time when we go boxing practice or any activities you have, all, and then the time you will do your homework, okay? All our day has, we need to check always the time, okay? We always have to check the time because time is very important. You need to know when is the time for your math. When you check the time, when is the time when you are already in science class, when you are already in social class, right? You will check the time when you are already in English class, just like that. So you need also to we also check the time when we get up. Look at this time. This one. Can you tell me what time this one? Get up time. What time is this? You can tell me the time?
8 นาฬิกา
Get up time. 8 o'clock. Okay. 8 o'clock. You will get up at 8 o'clock. And how about breakfast? This is just an example. This is just an example. This is one. What time is one? 7. Okay. The long 7 o'clock. Okay. This one is go to practice time. We have here example 5. Okay. 5 to this one is 10, 6. 5 o'clock and 6 minutes. Okay. So we have this one, 9, 5. Okay, this is an example. Now I will go to this one. So a clear example. Look at this one. I want you to identify the time. Okay, what time is this now?
1 o'clock.
Okay, 1 o'clock. Prow, what time is this one, Prow? Prow?
นี่เหรอ
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Okay, this one is. Look at here.
No.
What time is it now?
วันนี้
What time is it now?
อันนี้วันอะไรจัง
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Okay. Oi, what time is it now? This one for Oi? The time shows. Huh?
Watch it.
The short hand goes to 2 and the long hand goes to 12. It is 12, it is 2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock. And now let's go to this one. What time is it now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, Fafa, what time is it now, Fafa?
3 o'clock.
Okay, Oi, what time is it now, Oi?
3 o'clock.
Okay. And Proud? 3 o'clock. Okay, now let's go to this one. What time is it now?
O'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay? 6 o'clock. And then, how about this one? What time is it now? What time is it now? Look at here. Here. Papa, what time is it now, Papa?
ฟ้าเท่าไหร่7
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Oi, what time is it now, Oi?
7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock. Okay, let's go to this one. What time now? What time? 8 o'clock. Proud, what time is it now, Proud? The clock shows the time. What time, Proud? 8. Look at here, Proud. 8. The short hand goes to 8. And the long hand go to 12. Okay? The short hand is an hour. And the long hand described as minutes. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. What time is it now? 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock. Now let's go to this one.
7 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, this one is 10 o'clock. And now let's go to this one. What time is it now?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Okay, how about that one?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay. So this one is, you can do this, what? This is an art. Supposed to be, I will let you do this one, but we will do it all together next time. Okay. Daily routines. Okay, we have daily routine time. We have daily routine and daily routine morning to night. We have a daily routine, right? So we need to know what time is we were going to set our daily routine. We need to know what time we will wake up until we go to sleep. Okay? So what time you will make your bed. After you wake up, you will make your bed, right? What time you will make your bed? At what time? Look at this one, clock. What time is it? It shows what time?
8 o'clock.
This one, the short hand here. Look at here. Look at, have you sent the clock here? 6.
6.
The short hand go to 6 and long hand go to 12. So it is 6 o'clock. Okay. I make my bed at 6 o'clock. Okay?
I make my bed.
This one? Have you said it? Okay. Now let's go to this one. How about I eat breakfast? At what time you will eat your breakfast? You will eat your breakfast? The time here shows what? What time? 7. Okay, I ate breakfast at 7. Okay, Proud, what time is this, Proud? The clock shows what time, Proud? This one. What time is this, Proud? Bea, what time is this? Look at the clock, Bea. What time is this? 11 o'clock. Oi, what time is this, Oi? Oi? What time is this?
Eat.
Look at the short hand, goes to 7, right? So it is 7. 7. Yes, 7 o'clock. How about you, Proud? So you need to say, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. Okay. Bye, Boa. Hi, bye, Boa. Come here, bye, Boa, now. Okay, can you say it? Papa, can you say it? I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. I eat lunch at what time? You can check the time. The time is, can you catch the time? The clock is so fast. There are many kinds of watts, right? And there are watts like that.
12.
Lunch time at
12.
12. Very good. That is 12. Okay? Have you seen? You have watts like this? It's so fast. It's telling the minutes, so fast. Okay? So you need to be very quick to watch the time. Look at this one. It's 12. It shows 12. Okay, Bea. Papa answered already. Bea, what time is this, Bea? You can guess the time. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Oi, what time is this, boy? Can you say it? I eat lunch at
I eat
lunch at 12 o'clock. This one shows 12 o'clock. Okay. How about by Bawa? What time is this one shows by Bawa? By Bawa? Okay. Let's go to another example here. Okay. I take a bath. What time you will take a bath? Okay, what time is this? Okay, Papa, I take a bath at. Can you say it, Papa? Yes, I take a bath. Can you can you read, Papa? I take a bath. A bath at
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, Bea, can you do it, Bea, like Papa? Okay, read first, Bea. I
travel 10 o'clock.
Okay, what?
I travel 10 o'clock.
I take a bath. Bea, can you say it clear? I take a bath at. I take a bath. 10 o'clock. Okay, it's the clock here shows 10. Okay, 10. Okay, now let's go to Oi. Can you tell the time, Oi? I take a bath at.
I ate the bath.
10 p.m. Okay. Okay, let's go to by Boa. Can you look at here now? Can you read by Boa? Okay, let's go to Frau first. What happened, by Boa? Why you are crying, by Boa? Why by Boa is crying? Okay, let's go to Frau first. Okay, enough crying now, by Boa. Enough crying now. Can you answer now? Okay, can you look at here, by Boa? I take a bath. Okay, Frau, can you answer here, Frau? I take a bath. Bro, I cannot hear your Frau. I take a bath at 10. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next example. We have here, okay, I go to sleep at, what time you go to sleep? Okay, I go to sleep at, what time you go to sleep, Papa? Okay, I go to sleep at 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay, bye. Bea. Bea, look at me, Bea. What time you will go to sleep?
sleep อะไร sleep อะไรนะที่ชื่อถามอะไร
What
sleep
time you go to sleep, my boy? I go to sleep at... Bea.
I sleep until 12 o'clock.
I go
To sleep
at
12 o'clock.
8 o'clock. This one is 8 o'clock, Bea, okay? The
Okay.
short hand shows hours and the long hand shows minutes, okay? So this one is 8 o'clock. Okay, Bea?
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to Oi. Oi. What time you will go to sleep? Oi, I. Look at here.
I go
Sleep at
and
what time? What time this one, Oi? What time this one? I go to sleep at what time? 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay, have you seen the short hand? This one is short, right? This one, the short hand, this one we call this one as short hand. Short hand clock. And this one is a long hand. Short hand shows hours. So you need to look at this one. This is very important. The short hand shows hours and the long hand shows minutes. Okay? Okay. Bye. Come on, Babawa. Look at here. Okay, look at here. Proud. Can you look at Proud? Okay, I go to sleep at... Okay, Proud. What time is this one, Proud? I go... I cannot hear you, Proud. Proud, I cannot hear you, Proud. I go to sleep at... What time is this one? This clock, look at this clock, Proud. What time? It shows what time? This clock. It shows what time, Proud? Why I cannot hear you, Proud? Eight. Okay, the time is 8. Okay, I will show you this one. Okay, this one. Can you tell me the time? What time is it now? Papa, look at my clock. What time is it now?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Yes, 11. I need to count this one. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, this one is minutes, okay? This is the real time, okay? This is our time now. So this one is 11 o'clock. 11, it goes here, and you need to count to know the minutes, okay? Minutes, by minutes, let's say 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay, by 5. This one is 5 minutes. You can say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And then we have here another 1, 2, 3 seconds. Call this 1 second. Okay, have you said? The 1, 2, 3 are the seconds. And this one is minutes. You see it? So the time now is 11:49. 11, you will only tell the hours and the minutes. Okay, you don't need to say the seconds. Okay, so 11:49. You know already how to watch, how to check your time, right? You know already how to watch your time? Okay, this is our. You know already how to answer your worksheet? You know already how to answer your worksheet?
We don't have.
You don't have, Oi?
Yeah.
You need to pick this one up here in our school, Oi. So you can have this one, okay, Oi?
Okay.
Okay. Oi. And Mayan, you already know how to answer this one, Mayan?
I have.
Oh, you know already how to answer, right?
Yes.
And Papa, are you finished answering, Papa?
Yes.
Okay. How about Proud? How about Proud? You answer already?
Yes.
Okay. Now where is Baiboa? Okay. Now let's go to this one. Look at this one. I want you to look at this one first. This one will help us. Okay, let's do o'clock. Okay? You understand more about the
Fantastic. I
and
beg
then
your pardon.
right?
Just ignore that
Okay,
guy.
so you
Watch
don't know
that
what to
star.
answer? You don't know about, you don't know the time? You already know how to answer your worksheet, right?
Yes.
You have your answer already, Papa? Have you answered already?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, Oi, have you answered already? And Proud? You answered already your worksheet? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, you are all very good. So I think this is all for today. If you know already how to answer, if you finish already so you're all finished, right? You're all finished. Let me see your work, Proud. I want to see your work, Proud. If you finish answer your work, Proud. Okay, this one is. Let me see your work, Proud. Where is your worksheet, Proud? I want to see your work, Proud. If you're where is your worksheet, Proud? I want to see your work. Papa, you finished work, Papa, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Papa. Okay, very good. Now I want to see. Bea, I want to see your work, Bea. I want to see your worksheet. I want to see your worksheet if you are finished. Bea, where is your worksheet, Bea? I want to see your worksheet.
สอนเด็กๆไม่สนใจ
Okay, very good, Bea. Are you proud? Okay, proud. Your answer is ready. Good, proud. And Papa, your answer ready, Papa, right? Papa already is finished.
เสร็จแล้วใช่ไหม
Okay, again. Let us go to this one. Again.
I keep my money. No,
Okay, again. Let us look at this one. The time now. What time is it now?
What time is it now? 11
What time is it now?
o'clock.
Okay. Okay. This one is
55 minutes. 55 minutes.
55 minutes.
55. So we still have 5 minutes before 12. Okay? We still have 5 minutes before 12 or 11:55. This one is 11:55. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So you know now how to check the time? The time now is 11:55. Okay, you know already all how to check the time, right? You want to check this one again?
No. Yes.
Okay, let us do this.
Big hands on the 12, well then you'll know it's the hour exactly. Come It's the big hands on. There's 15 to go. It's a 1:45.
It's 1:45.
So you are very good now in watching the time. You can tell the time now. Okay, by watching the time.
ครูหนูใช้โทรศัพท์แม่แดงเรียนออนไลน์อยู่จ้ะ
Okay, hours. You can count by hours. 12. It's only 12. Yes. Okay. The hours is until 12. Okay. They like that. So now what time is it now?
แต่ว่าตอนนี้หนูต้องซื้อ
12 o'clock. Now it's time for lunch. This one is, we can start to take our lunch in this time, right? It's 12 o'clock. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are now because we have 24 hours a day, right? We have 24 hours a day, and now we are in half day. We are now finished in AM. Now we will go to PM. Right? Okay. You know already what's the time? What time is it now, Bea? Bea, what time is it now? Look at the time. What time is it now, Bea?
12 o'clock.
Okay, 12 o'clock. Proud, look at the time, Proud. What time is it now, Proud? What time now, Proud? I cannot hear you, Proud. 12 o'clock. I still cannot hear you, Proud. And Oi. Okay. Oi, what time is it now, Proud? Oi? Oi? What time is it now? What time is it now, Proud? Oi? 12? I cannot hear you, Oi. I cannot hear you, Oi. Oi, I cannot hear you. What time is it now, Oi?
This sleep.
Huh? What time is it,
And
12 o'clock.
and 12 o'clock.
Yes, 12 o'clock. And the minute is moving now. Moving, right? Look at the minutes, it's moving now. 12 o'clock. And we have, you can count this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Okay.
12, 0, 3. Now it's moving. The clock is moving so fast, right? So we need to always, we need to check our daily routine. The time we wake up, the time we need to have a time management, okay? We need to know what time you will wake up, what time you will make your bed like this. Okay, you need to know how to budget your time. I make my bed like that, and I eat breakfast at, you need to know what time you will eat your breakfast because you have a class, right? So you need to know what time you will eat your breakfast so you will not be late in our class, right? So you need to check, you need to always look at the time. So you will not be late in our class. And you need to know what time you will take your lunch. Okay, you need to know what time you will take your lunch. And you need to know what time you will take a bath. You need to check the time you will take a bath and the time you will go to sleep. Because you also have to do your homework. Okay? You understand already about the time? Okay, now I think this is all for now for our math. I hope you understand all right. I hope you understand, and I hope all of you can answer the worksheet. Okay. So we have science for today. We have science at 1 p.m. So I'll see you again in our science K3. You have to take your lunch first. Okay, we will take our lunch first, and I want to say thank you to you all for listening. Okay, and for answering our question here. Thank you, K3. I love you. Bye-bye for now. See you in our science. Bye. Bye. Proud, Bea, and Papa.
Bye.
Bye. See you 1 o'clock, okay? See you at 1 o'clock. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you, Ka. Bye-bye. Thank you. I love you all, K3. Bye.